Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you know who hung up first on iPhone. So guys, as of now iPhone do not provide a direct feature to indicate who ended a call first. Both participants in a call receive the same call ended message without specifying who hung up first. However, there are a few indirect methods you can use. The first one is observe behavior. If you are on a call, you need to pay attention to when the call ends. If you were about to say something or hear silence immediately before the call ended, it might suggest the other person hung up. You can just simply ask the other person you are talking to if they ended the call. You can also check the call log immediately after the call ends. Sometimes the timestamp of the end of the call can provide a clue, but it won't definitely tell you who hung up first. Lastly and most helpfully, you can use third-party apps. Some call recording apps might keep detailed logs of call activities, but you may need to purchase the premium subscription. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.